Hello and welcome to the weirdest unboxing video you've ever seen. My wife is in the kitchen doing stuff, so we're gonna be unbagging right here. It's very exciting. I've been waiting for this. This is a very special drone that you've probably never seen before because the dude that made it, he made it mostly analog, and I wanted a digital version. He made a digital version for himself, but he hasn't really been selling them. So this is the Pachray. It is a 3-inch freestyler, and it caught my attention. You can see it on TBS's website, and it's just solid. Like, it's just a beautiful, solid looking piece of art. And this guy named Pavel made Pavel made this beautiful drone, and I'm just so excited to fly it and fly it digital. It's got 1504.5, 3950 kV motors. It's got the HGLRC, I think that's what it is, 25 amp flight controller. And we're going to be putting the naked Vista on it. And it's going to be very exciting. I ordered some extra motors, and it's got a custom, I guess it's got the regular, he put in a few different, these are for the analog version, and then this is for the digital, so it's going to be able to fit the digital camera in there. Very excited for this. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. Anyways, I'm going to try and figure out how to put this thing together, and you'll get to see the maiden flight soon. I don't know what else to say. I'm not really good at these things. New. So, very new. Very excited for this, very excited to share it with you. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful drone. You know, sometimes you gotta just like the way something looks, and I think that this is a very sexy drone. Very. So, yeah, see you in a bit.